How to disable Google Lens on Android mobile phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to disable Google Lens on Android mobile phone. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, from your home screen you need to navigate to Google Lens and long press on the application. Tap App Info to access App Information section of Google Lens. In case if you don't find that way, simply head towards the settings. Select Apps, tap on App Management and using the search bar, type in Google Lens or simply Lens and it will be listed on your search section. Tap on it and you will be access to this section only. To disable, tap Disable option and then tap on Disable app. If you disable this app, it will be closed and removed from the home screen and your system and other apps may no longer function as intended. So, tap to confirm and your application will be successfully disabled on Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.